Okay, motor lifts a mass. We want to know how high. I see watts adding power, so power is work over time, which is change in energy over time. So we go from the ground, where we have no energy, to up in the air, where we have potential energy. So that would be mgh. So our change in energy, our final minus our initial, is mgh minus 0. So delta E is just mgh. So P equals mgh over time. Let's put some numbers in here. So P equals mgh over time. P is 2750. The mass is 134. G is 10 in your class? Maybe 9.8? I don't know. The height we are solving for, and time is 23.4. One equation, one unknown, we can solve this. So I'm going to multiply both sides by that 23.4. I got nutritional yeast on my calculator. Vegan problems. Okay. 2750. It's like all up in there. Gross. I'm going to divide by 134. I'm going to divide by 10. And so that our height is 48.0. Oh, 49. Ooh, I wonder if we use 9.8 instead. Do we get the right answer? You get 49. That is so annoying. I wish your teachers were at least consistent. That's annoying. It's 49.